Hello, kids! Welcome to Vocabulary by Planet Spark YouTube channel.
Ready to start your learning journey? Click the link in the description, choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today.
Let's start with our vocabulary quiz. I eat fruits and vegetables daily. Which one is a fruit? Apple? Carrot? Chair?
The correct answer is apple.
Which one is a vegetable? Banana? Potato? Mango?
The correct answer is potato.
Which one grows on a tree? Mango? Potato? Onion?
The correct answer is mango.
What color is a banana? Yellow? Blue? Purple?
The correct answer is yellow. Please like and subscribe the channel.
Carrot is usually orange, pink, black.
The correct answer is orange.
Fruits taste mostly sweet, salty, spicy.
The correct answer is sweet.
Which one is not a fruit? Apple, grapes, tomato?
The correct answer is tomato.
Which one grows under the ground? Carrot, mango, banana?
The correct answer is carrot.
Which is bigger? Watermelon, cherry, pea?
The correct answer is watermelon.
If you are thirsty, which fruit can help? Watermelon, potato, onion?
The correct answer is watermelon.
What can you use to make salad? Cucumber, chocolate, biscuit?
The correct answer is cucumber. Hey, superstar! Ready to show how strong your words power is? Ask Mama and Papa to book your vocabulary challenge below.
Your mother makes vegetable soup. What may she add? Carrot, ice cream, candy? The correct answer is carrot. Which food is healthy for your body? Fruits, chips, soda. The correct answer is fruits. If a fruit is green outside and red inside, it may be watermelon, banana, kokomet. The correct answer is watermelon. Which group gives us vitamins? Fruits and vegetables, toys, shoes. The correct answer is fruits and vegetables. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.